That's that one topping playing like that? Yeah. That's fucking loud, dog. Yo, if one of them sound like that, Fred, I would hate to hear 8 of them, Fred. For real. That thing is crazy loud.
Well, you only play one top, right?
No, one top in, one top.
So, what's up, sir? How you doing? Came with one beer? That's morning.
They got to check you out. See what you doing over here. You come check you out. You got to go over and check you out.
Jah will always be around just to guide our steps.
Not playing, right?
Huh?
That one's not playing. It's only 3 of the mids.
I don't have a jumper in it, that's why.
Oh, okay,
I didn't put a jumper in
okay.
it.
Oh, nice. That little one top in, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy.
Come here.
That thing is crazy. That thing is crazy, Fred.
Two coaxials, double 12.
All right, so you have two
I
horns
gotta open
here.
this up 'cause somebody didn't put the screws in.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, really?
So you have 2 12s and 2...
2 12s and 2 coaxials in each one.
That shit is loud as fuck, bro. In one, just one of them? Yo, that is crazy how loud that is. I would love to hear it with like 4 of them things sing out. Damn.
Fine tuning and we get it together.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, those top ends are super efficient. Super. One of them things sound like that? Crazy.
Sound different from 8 and all that shit yesterday.
Yeah, that shit is loud.
Well, you gotta walk away from it too. We stayed in front of it.
Sound way
Yeah, I
different.
know. I could tell.
No, we was on it. We was on it.
I'm saying if you get to the end of the film
sound
on
totally
this,
different
this
with
should
this,
be really
this
nice.
compared to what they all had out there yesterday. Y'all got the same boxes, you and Danny?
He got 21s.
Right.
Yeah, he got 21s.
That's crazy though.
I like it, Fred.
What's up, sir?
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
I like
Thank
it.
you,
I
sir.
like it.
I work hard on this.
I be seeing you testing it out in your living room. I can't hear it.
I want you to hear them. I want you to hear them, man. I got the fucking wire. I'm like, how did I forget the damn wire?
I know what the EVs sound like. You know what I'm saying?
I'm telling you, I did something totally different.
No.
I didn't change nothing. I got the original stuff in there, but it plays totally different. Let's see.
And Waz is sounding good too.
No.
I want you to keep in mind the top is all the way over there.
I know that.
All right, so it ain't gonna balance out because they not on. Just that one over there is on by itself.
I hear it.
That's
I hear
it.
it though.
World of reggae music on ya. Never left you, never know, sir. Now just be nice and hold your space. I won't get down in the region where I raised, yeah, it's the survival of the hardest. One man well cool, the next man tense, y'all. Some sounds like these across the fence rail. There is trouble here, they trouble me. No, I would have just flash me. Bubbles you, they bubble me. Yes, I forward in
International.
Omega Force Production. Omega Force Fread Tate sound system. Nice. Nice. My logo gonna be on this wall in a minute. Nice, I like it. All right.
Take you to the back real quick. I'm gonna show you some stuff in the back. It's a little messy because we rewiring everything.
I saw that. That's why I didn't record that. But
Show everything. Show everything. I'll explain it. We rewiring everything. We pull some things apart. We putting it back together now and had to rewire and put it back where it was at to competition mode. What I want to show my people is that on here I can do 2 bass. I don't need 2 mids, but I can do 2 mids and I can do 2 highs. So I decided to do it left and right. When we do competition, we ain't doing left and right. But I only got 3 wires. If I came and did all 8, I'd do 2 subs, 1 bass, and we only do 1 top, but I could do 2. But I only do 2 for the 8, 1 for the mids, and then the tops. The reason why you only do 1 for the mids are 8 ohms. Everything else is 16 ohms.
Your mids are 8
Except for
ohms.
the bass is 4 ohms, so I only do 1 bass per channel. Then the mids is only 8 ohms, because that's the only way they sell it. So I turn around and let's jump 2 and bring it down to 4. Then I do this, I run that down to 2 ohms only because it's got the double horns on it, and it's 16, and then we put all the horns together, it'll come down to 4 ohms. But horns don't matter because it's not going to draw current.
Exactly.
And let's walk to the back. Watch this step. So I run 1 NL8 back here, and I jump it in this box right here, and then I got it off 10 jumpers, and each one go to each box. So I only run 1 wire back here, where everybody else run all a bunch of wires. I run 1 wire,
like
1
that.
per.
I like
all right,
that.
and I do the same thing with the mids. 1, and then I do the 4. I didn't got the ace when he did the 1 box. And I can actually go down to 2 ohms with this if I want to, but I try to keep it around 4. So I do you got 4 of these. 1, bang, 2, bang, 3, bang, 4, bang.
Yeah.
And that'll play all on 1 watt. All this is playing on 1 watt.
Who made that?
Joel down in Maryland. He made these boxes for me. He did the wires for me.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
You know, I know you got it on record, but we're going to just say it anyway. Turn around in. You got double coaxials in here, and you got double 12s here. This is a kick bin with a horn in it. That's all it is. It's a kick bin with a
That
horn.
thing is
in it.
loud.
Yeah.
I think it's super
Oh
loud.
yeah. You know,
I think
but now,
like 4 boxes.
but the problem is, if you come out here, and you stand about between here and maybe 30 feet, they'll go right over your head. You won't hear no high end. They like, the highs is not there.
Yeah.
But when you go all the way
All
back
the
to
way
the back
out
of the
there,
field,
you'll hear that shit. Yeah.
matter of fact, the graveyard is at least 3 miles down, at least.
Yeah.
And you can hear it 3 miles out. You can hear it,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah, you can hear it. You can definitely hear it right here how loud it is.
Yeah. And I do, let me show it to you. I do an aux bass. So where everybody else uses the booth and everything like that, some people do assign it to a channel. I do an aux bass, so then I go down to the main, and then if I'm playing, let me see if it's still playing. Hold on. All right, turn the bass. The louder I turn this volume up, the heavier the bass gets. I got the bass, I got it still down, but the louder I turn this up, the heavier. And there's no bass enhancement, there's no EQ
Nothing.
on the bass, nothing. It's just straight crossover points, and that's it. That's it.
Yeah,
and
it
a lot of
sounds
people,
good, though.
a lot of people like, yo, how's the bass? I was like, I'll show you. You can look through it. I say, here, go. Only thing I got EQ. The only thing I got EQ is the tweeters, because they're not really tweeters. So I had to boost those up to kind of get that out of it. So I boosted those. Everything else, just plain.
Sounds good.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you,
Sounds
sir.
very good.
Play something else for you.
You should have heard that shit in the parade.
Yeah, we did the Mama Parade in the cold. We did this shit in the cold, man.
Yeah.
Them people was like, whoa, what the hell?
How many subs did you use there?
I used 6.
6.
But what we did, we turned it. So we put this, see that one stack right there, the bottom and the mid. We turned one. We would turn one to the back, one to the left, and one to the right, and it spun around. Then we had the tops where we did one top all the way around. Killed it. Killed it. I was just coming out there to have fun, but yeah, we turned around and we did some things. I got too much stuff in here. Really.
Sometimes you can work it out. Sometimes you can. Sometimes you're forced to watch everything fall apart inside of your head. Sometimes leaving is easy. Sometimes it ain't. Sometimes it hurts to know the love in your head is slowly fading away. You can say whatever you like.
All right, so now I was doing it. I was trying to figure out why it's making that noise. It's making a crazy noise. So come on, come close. So remember when I told you I only got this boosted in the EQ?
Yeah.
This is just for the highs. So this mixer got what is called a tilt mixer. So when you go in a tilt mixer, you can kind of tilt the mixer where it evens out the bass, the hot tops, whatever. So to do this right here, and you can take it all out or you can bring it up. And what it, because I ain't got no subs on it, but it'll normally tilt like this. So I had turned it up for whatever reason, and I had to turn it down because now this is the line. When you turn the volume up, all that stuff goes up too, and I had it way high. I had it real high.
It's too high.
Yeah, and that's what happens with a lot of people. They start EQing before they get the sound right. Play flat, get it to play flat,
And
then just
then
add something
boost
to
a
it.
little bit that
So
you
we
need
do.
to.
So we do like this. We take the tilt mixer. We take that out. We bring these up. Now I gotta go back here because I don't have no volume. Let me start it again.
Sometimes you can work it out. Sometimes you can.
I'm gonna do the trim.
Sometimes you're forced to watch everything go
Still making a weird noise. Bring the trim up. So the gain is for the input of with the phone or whatever you got in there, then sometimes the game is so harsh that you go to the trim, and the trim is just, you know, half, and it'll do it a little bit more smooth, so you can turn around and just say, all right. I think the phone too hot. That's what I think it is. No, the phone's down. Oh yeah, the phone was too hot. All right, I see it. Or it might be too low. Hold on.
Is that usually a clean track though?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's one of my test songs. It was playing fine until the phone rang. Once the phone rang, it just like it didn't want to wire. Let me see where I'm at. See, now when you look at this right here, I got the gain all the way down. Like I said, this controls, like if you got a phone or whatever and it's lightweight, you take the gain and then you adjust just the channel input. So that channel input is not doing anything. So then I go here.
Sometimes you're not right. You can say whatever you like.
And probably.
As long as we just say goodbye. Blame it on me.
Let's bring the minutes down some.
Say you're smiling for say that you're outside in the cold with a broken heart.
Left is hot, the right is not doing anything. So something's in here that's not balanced right. Where am I gonna go? Where I wanna go? Not a stereo.
Could it be cable?
No. What this does is it does a stereo, so you only use one knob. But now if I go here, the EQ's on in this one. So let's turn the EQ off. So it's connected, but it's not. It's weird how it does it. Like on the other boards, when you turn this up, this one will go up.
Yeah.
It's not doing. This don't do it. Just to turn this one up, and both of them will go up. I don't know why they did it that way. They should left it alone. All right, let's see. Let's get another song. So maybe it's the song, but I never had no problem with the song before.
Over there.
Oh my God. Oh my God. And I had my bifocals on. It was like, Herman, where are you? Hey baby girl, what's up? We miss you. Where you at? Oh, what are you? Listen. Tell you how I do. You gotta pick that home. You gotta come home to the people. You gotta come home to the people. All right, I'm just saying that. Nobody else heard that, all right? Nobody else heard that.
thank you all for loving and supporting my son throughout his career. He had just finished this album when we went to South Africa, and he was extremely proud and anxious for everyone to hear his newest collection. It is with his wish in mind that I proudly present the one you all nicknamed the Teddy Bear, my son, Gerald Levert, and his new album, And My Songs. I don't mind making you happy. I don't mind making your day. Feels so good to give, but I never seem to get my way. I'm tired of waking up with nobody laying next to me. I'm tired of being alone and everybody else is lovey-dovey. I'm so tired of all of y'all being happy but me. I can only find love and sing about.
They told me that one of the horses got one of the twins got.
When I sing my song, oh yeah. See, I know what I want, something real, something I can feel, and I know it don't come easy. I wanna be with somebody who can share my ups and downs. And when they're feeling bad, I can be the one to make her smile. Make her realize that there's nothing she can say. Certain, here, there, and everywhere. I can only find love. Sometimes it's hard to pray. Sometimes it's hard to stay grateful. It's painful, hurts so bad. Sometimes it's hard to breathe. It's hard to keep going. We keep holding on to what could have been.
Yo, what's up? This is Mary. I'm not home. Leave a message. Peace.
Hey, yo, Mary, it's Puff. Pick up the phone, nigga. Hey, yo, Mary, it's Puff. Hey, yo, man, yo. 8 o'clock, Hit Factory. Then tomorrow you gotta do this video shoot. Then get back to me. Yo,
up. Put a check 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 up.
He doing a lot more than you, bro.
Put a check up. Put a check up. Put a check up. Put a check up.
That's only 4 now. I just want to be.
I love it, man. I ain't gonna lie. Solid. Very, very efficiently solid.
We're working hard on it. We're working hard on it.
Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot, actually. So now I know what you're bragging about, young man.
You gotta be able to play all music though. Every system gotta be able to play all music. You never know what they're gonna ask for.
Someday I'm gonna you know, I just got the little stuff right now.
I told you to bring the big stuff.